Hello, this is Mark from MWB Arts, and today I'm going to try to do a pour, and I am using the FolkArt paints and Martha Stewart paints. FolkArt paint I'm using is a lipstick red. Martha Stewart paints I'm using are Geranium, which is an orange, a Chamomile, a type of yellow, and the last one is Beetle black. And I used a little bit of some golden fluid acrylic cadmium red hue into the lipstick red to get a little bit redder than I wanted. Okay, what I'm going to do here first, I think, is get a black surface first, just to, so it's something to everything flow on. And for the pouring mediums, I've used GAC 800 and a mixture with the Sargent Art pouring medium also, just to get it a thin consistency, just so it flow pretty good. And I am using an Acrylic board 9x12, and this one here I've worked with in the past, and they warp a little bit, but maybe since it's small it won't warp too bad. And it's only a 9x12, so let's see what happens here.